eme catchy na tagline. So, nagpabudol na rin ako sa Dubai Chewy Cookies. Actually, it's not my first time trying this. I've tried it before. Hindi lang ako nag-video kasi I thought lilipas yung craving. Ayan, kaso puro Dubai Chewy Cookies yung nakikita ko sa feed ko. Being in Cavite, hindi ko masyadong ma-order yung mga gusto ko talaga i-try. Like from QC, from Pasig. Going to try those na nandito sa Cavite, around my area, na kaya move same day. So, today, I got a Dubai Chewy Cookie from Copiroti. They're in Dasma. And this is 95 pesos. First, so ayan, ito yung container niya, no? So, this is the Dubai Chewy Cookie inside. 95 pesos. I just find it a little bit small. So, this is my hand. For reference. Okay, let's try the stretch test muna. Ayan, while I'm trying to stretch this, I can feel the cocoa powder. Okay, let's try not to make a mess. So, ayan siya, no? So, it's stretching naman. Okay, I'm making a mess. I am so sorry. Ito yung loob niya. Let's hope that this is real katayfi. What's good about this is there's the crunch when I bite into it. Hindi lang siya ganun karami yung feeling. It's not that creamy. But I think it's good. Like, the stretchiness of the marshmallow is there. The crunch of the katayfi is there. I just don't taste a lot of pistachio. There is a nutty hint to it, pero yeah, not much pistachio flavor. So I guess for 95 pesos, medyo sulit na rin siya. Yeah, okay na rin. Am I going to order this again? We'll see. Kasi syempre, I have to order from other stores then. And we'll see kung which one's better. But for now, I'm going to enjoy this from Copiroti. Eme, susunod ulit.